Hello, welcome back to the Silly Kitchen. Today I am talking about bacon. Do I have your attention? I sure hope so, because I love bacon. If you are still cooking bacon on a frying pan, 4 or 5 pieces at a time, let me have you try something a little new next time you're cooking bacon. Get yourself a sheet pan and bake your bacon. I like to use a little bit of tin foil, lay each piece of bacon flat onto this sheet, preheat my oven to 425 degrees and cook them for about 15 minutes. That's it. Now, if you like your bacon a little less done or a little more crispy, adjust your time depending what you love, and you will have a whole tray of bacon ready to go. Now, you don't have to eat it all at the same time. You can, wait. So if you do savor your bacon and you don't necessarily want to eat it all in one helping, here's what I suggest doing once that bacon is cooked. Take it out of the oven, let it cool down a little bit on that sheet pan, maybe 5 or 6 minutes, just so that it's not too piping hot. Get yourself a good amount of paper towels and transfer each slice of bacon over to dry off a little bit of that extra grease and fat that came off of it. Once that cools down fully, wrap it up in a new piece of paper towel, throw it in a zippy bag, and you have bacon for the rest of the week in your fridge, or maybe 2 or 3 days, depending how much you eat bacon. This is such a great way to cook it all at once, have less of a mess, and then if you want to have a BLT, your bacon's already ready. You just have to heat it up or eat it the way it is cold. Totally up to you. I hope this trick helps you in the kitchen, because the minute I started baking bacon, my life got a little bit better. Thank you for joining me on this quick little recipe / tips and tricks about bacon video, and I will see you again soon. Till then.